Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this tasty and juicy stuffed chicken. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you will need 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons, paprika powder 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon of thyme leaves, 1 teaspoon of rosemary leaves, cayenne pepper 1 tablespoon, 1 lime and a half an onion, and lastly you will need a whole chicken. In a small bowl, start by mixing all the spices. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, cayenne pepper, paprika powder, salt to taste, dried rosemary leaves about 1 teaspoon, dried thyme leaves about 1 teaspoon, black pepper, and squeeze 1 lime, and lastly add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and mix everything well. Then you're going to place the chicken on a baking tray and sprinkle with the rub mixture spices and massage everywhere until the chicken is fully coated with the spices. At this point, I'm going to add more spices. I'm going to add a teaspoon of cayenne pepper and a teaspoon of paprika powder, optional if you wouldn't like more spices, and I'm going to massage the spices everywhere. Then afterwards, I'm going to slightly cut the chicken everywhere so that the spices can blend in well. And once you're done, you're going to place the chicken in the fridge to marinate for at least 1 hour before baking it. And after 1 hour of marination, I'm going to prepare my vegetables. You're going to need 2 large potatoes. Wash the potatoes properly and cut the potatoes into cubics as you can see in the video. You're also going to need 2 carrots. Wash the carrots and remove the outer skin and cut the carrot into slices as you can see in the video. And lastly, I'm going to add some sweet potatoes. I will cut the potatoes into small pieces. You can add more vegetables, that's up to you. And once you're done, place the vegetables and the carrots on a baking sheet, and it's high time to season the vegetables. Season the vegetables with a bit of black pepper, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, and drizzle 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then stir until well combined. Once you're done, remove the chicken from the fridge and place at the center. Add half a piece of onion. This is to make your chicken to have a nice smell. Then tie the legs of the chicken as you can see in the video. It's really important to tie the legs of the chicken. You wouldn't want your chicken to look kind of messy. Then place the potatoes and the carrots aside, and the rest of the vegetables, stuff them in the chicken. And our stuffed spice chicken is ready, as you can see in the video. You'll bake in the oven at 180 degrees for 1 hour and 30 minutes till well baked. And after 1 hour and 30 minutes, our stuffed chicken is ready, as you can see in the video. This is so delicious. I will cut the chicken so you can able to see how softy and juicy the chicken looks. Look how soft and juicy the chicken looks, and the vegetables are also well cooked. Serve on a plate and you can eat along with a cold drink and enjoy your stuffed chicken. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.